Hi, this is Nathan Tusher with PKPD Associates, and this video is going to show you how to use templates within Phoenix to repeat analyses or repeat procedures to save you a lot of time. And so we're going to start with a very simple template, which is a plot. So this example here, I have a set of data for a subject that have a single formulation. This is an IV formulation. And you can see that I've created a custom XY plot that has each subject, and it's shown in this lattice layout with the subject number at the top, concentration and time axes labels below, and all the information just as I would like it. And it runs on to 2 pages for these 25 subjects. And so I have this plot, and this is for an IV formulation. And let's say you're getting data in piecemeal, and now you want to generate this exact same plot for a controlled release formulation. Well, the first thing that you want to do is we're going to actually rename this plot. Called individual subjects. Now if we go back here to the workflow diagram, we can actually select that object, and we're going to right click on it, and we're going to say create template. And we create a template, it's going to ask us to save that file. And we want to make sure and save it as a Phoenix template file. It'll give it the WNLT extension or WinNonlin template, and you click save. And what that has done is taken all the preferences that you have for that XY plot, and it saved them. And as long as you bring data in that has the same profile, it'll generate an identical plot. So for example, if we wanted to create a new plot for this controlled release, we might say, let's send this to an XY plot. We can do that, and then we have to start selecting the X value, the Y value. I'm going to group by subject. We were doing formulation. No, actually we were taking the formulation and we were going rows and starting to generate that, and not quite right. We want to create the right number of spots for this. And now we've generated it, but it doesn't look quite the same. We had a lot of customizations that were in there. Instead of having to customize this all over again, we can do a different option. So we can import, and we go find that template. It was called individual subject. See where I saved that. Projects examples. There it is, individual subjects plot template file. I'm going to say open that, and it's going to create this new object here, and with nothing in it. And all we have to do is open that object up and drag our data into it. It populates everything that we need, and when we execute it, we get the exact same plot that we wanted with all the preferences. The only difference is it's got the new data in it. So that's how you create a template to save all your settings, and then you're able to reuse them with minimal to no effort required. Now I did this example with just one individual object. You can actually do the same templates with entire workflows. So for example, if you ran a non-compartmental analysis, generated tables and figures associated with it, and all of your data comes in the same way, you can actually save that as a template, that entire workflow, import it as a template, attach your new data, run it, and then everything will be produced exactly the same way with the same customizations. I hope that's useful to you, and you can always learn more at my website at www.learnpkpd.com.